ulaba fethu igama lokhu nginjalo lokhu ngoligamete ngoma rest. Here's a tutorial on how I make my beats. Abantu abaningi bahleka mbuzo sithi kanti wena ama-beat lawa walungisa njani? Okay, ngithe ngitshengise nansi tutorial embiyela handibe. Saka I'm going to show you my chords first. I'll start with my chords and then my drums, then siya kumanyukunyu. I want to show you how I'll make my beats. Okay, let us start with the chords. Here are my chords. I use orchestra 1. Orchestra 1. These are my chords. Let us move on to my kicks. On kicks, I used the snare one. Listen to the snare. Then there is this other one, the hi-hat. Listen to this one. Let us see ukuthi khona kade vele kade ngi-arrange njani ku-hi-hat la. You just insert this. Then on snare, let us view ukuthi snare kade ngihamba kade ngisenza njani. Yeah, let us move on. I have showed you the chords, the kicks. There is this click, that kick which is a clap. This is a clap. Call it ekucineni la, ekucineni la. Music ekucineni la. Yeah. Let us move on. From this clap, we have got the 8.0 kick. This one is a heavy kick. You see? I just did the copy and paste from hi-hat to 8.0 kick. I did the copy and paste. And alright. If you wanted to zoom, we can even view the piano roll. Yeah. Alright. Let us now move on to, after orchestra 1, we have got this one, the Poison. Listen to it. I was showing you ukuthi ngithethe la khona ngithethe khona. And let us move to another one, which is a clank bass. Oh, it was a clank bass. Yes, clank bass. This clank bass, but must be another first in loop drum as well. Right. This clank bass must be another ku channel rate bass loop drum, but here is this. Loop drum litholakala la. Just say plus, then uyathola lapha ku Fruit DX10 yahlaba. So siyakuma preset uyayithola i-log drum nansi ngaphansi lapha. Alright, let me remove this one. Yeah, let us go to our bass, which is E flute. This bass one, ichendla leyani itholakala ku Citrus, le itholakala ku Fruit DX10. I'm going to show you. This bass, nxa wena ulale this tutorial, and if you are seeing this tutorial using your phone, uyayizwa nzima. In fact, not uyibona, uyayizwa nzima because efonini kayizwakali, ifuna espeakini bama-earphones, ma-headphones. And so nesitime bona iplani ukuthi njani, uyadinga ispeaker ngama-headphones ngama-earphones, ungalaleli ngefoni, ibhitha lalelwa ngefoni. And we have got this one, i-flute le ngithethe la itholakala ku Fruit DX10. DX10, Fruit DX10 nansi la. So inabe kuma preset, and let us move on to Citrus manje. Citrus le vele izimele yodwa kwenza ngifake nje preset nansi yana laphana i-Citrus ngifake njalo vele. And let us move on to the next bass, which is a synth. It is from Citrus. Alright, let us move on to the pattern 12. Pattern 12, it's like a trumpet, if not mistaken. Let me see. Trumpet. So here is my arrangement. Here is how I arrange this. Here is my arrangement. Yabo, so yeah. So azokhala manje ke sokukonje. Alright, let me remove the trumpet at first. I don't want to have the trumpet first la. Just delete it. Yeah. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Alright, on comment section, if you write ukuthi khona sicela usinike step by step and step by step, ngizalifakela tutorial whereby I do step by step ukhangela nti lawa ngama highlights la. These are just highlights. So on comment section, if I find a comment which says, can you show us step by step? And because they may be beginners, abasaqala avela abangakwazi ukuthi into izayithola ngabantu abakwazi nje ukuthi ithembu. Saka on comment section ngathola i-comment ethi show us step by step, then I'm going to do step by step showing you. And thank you for viewing. May God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. It's your boy Ligamete the Ngomarist, straight out of Mambanjini. Ngokufana kwamango Ligamete the Ngomarist. Thank you for viewing.